Welcome to the future of home security. In 2024, the global market hit a whopping $67 billion. By 2030, it's projected to skyrocket to $99 billion. That's a 6% growth rate. Why the surge? Smart home integration is game-changing. Imagine controlling your security from your phone. AI and IoT make systems smarter and more user-friendly. Video surveillance systems alone are set to hit $41 billion by 2030, growing at 7%. Access control systems, a solid 6% growth. Now, the regional breakdown. North America is leading, with the market hitting $13 billion in 2024, and expected to reach $45 billion by 2033. Europe isn't far behind with smart home adoption and regulatory support. Asia Pacific, rapid urbanization and a rising middle class are driving growth. Stay tuned for more insights. Visit our website, www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.